Oh yeah. Potato phone here. No complaints. $17,000 light bulbs. Crew of what? 5 you said?
4 to 5 guys, 10 hours a day. Takes them a week and a half to do.
So there's some time there, folks. We wanted to give you all a sneak peek of how we get down in Vermont for Christmas, New Year's, and something for you all to maybe come out and see in the coming days. They'll run into the new year. And then we do this every year for Christmas and New Year's, so something to look forward to next year, to start planning on. So like I said, we wanted to give you all a sneak peek. We appreciate it. Give a shout out to Mike, who drives the truck, good friend of ours, family friend. So like I say, hopefully you all enjoy this world, because we're truly blessed beyond words, and we want to show you our perspective and share this with the world, because the world deserves to see this. So enjoy. But yeah, I run my own channel, and you learn how to host and do that, you know. And again, I'll be honest with my father, you know. That's why I'm so thankful with him, because I'm gonna go around this side too. He's the one that really taught me how to do that, you know, and I really took that from him. So, but again, world, love and take care of one another. A little bit of snow. So, and glad you all got to join us and take this sneak peek in with us. Happy New Year 2019.